6 things that happen to your body when you eat turmeric every day. Turmeric has been here since forever. Besides being used in cooking, this golden spice is one of the best natural remedies that have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. From fighting infections and some cancers to reducing inflammation and treating digestive problems, this incredible spice is something that you should finally include into your diet. Today, many people finally become aware of its effectiveness and ability to treat different health conditions. So, let's find out more. 6 things that happen to your body when you eat turmeric every day. 1. Reduces inflammation. Turmeric acts as an anti-inflammatory agent. It is rich in compounds that have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin is one of those compounds. Its effectiveness and anti-inflammatory properties are confirmed by numerous studies. A 2007 study showed that turmeric can provide amazing results, even better than many pharmaceutical drugs when it comes to treating chronic conditions. 2. Reduces the risk of cancer. The researchers at the American Cancer Society claim that curcumin can interfere with a few important molecular pathways involved in cancer development, spread, and growth. Another study confirmed the incredible cancer-fighting properties of curcumin. Namely, it is very beneficial in the case of leukemia and lymphoma, gastrointestinal cancers, genitourinary cancers, breast cancer, ovarian cancer, head and neck squamous cell carcinoma, lung cancer, melanoma, and neurological cancers. 3. Aids digestion and relieves digestive-related disorders. As we said before, turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This means that it can improve digestion and reduce symptoms of digestive disorders. According to a study conducted by the University of Maryland, turmeric is very helpful in the case of indigestion and ulcerative colitis. The results also showed that curcumin, found in turmeric, can stimulate the production in the gallbladder, thus improving digestion. Due to its ability to increase the production of stomach acid, turmeric is believed to alleviate stomach ulcers as well. 4. Promotes brain health. Turmeric is very useful for our cognition. The experts claim that curcumin enhances our ability to learn and prevents neurodegenerative conditions, including Alzheimer's and dementia. A study showed that there is a relation between curcumin treatment and enhanced cognition and neurogenesis. In fact, this amazing spice aids in neuroplasticity, the development of new brain connections. It is amazing. 5. Promotes heart health. Turmeric is also very beneficial for your heart health. A study by the University of Maryland examined the effects of curcumin when it comes to removing plaque. Accumulation of plaque in the arteries can cause a stroke or heart attack. Curcumin has the ability to reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and prevent blood clots. It can interact with certain blood clot medications, so make sure to consult your doctor before using turmeric for this purpose. 6. Relieves arthritis symptoms. Due to its strong anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric can effectively alleviate arthritis symptoms. It has been proven that turmeric can provide better results even than many pharmaceutical and over-the-counter alternatives. According to a study, rheumatoid arthritis patients who included curcumin into their diet had a reduction in disease activity and a reduction in tenderness.